sheriff and the other people. Or you have to have a follow-up on this.
That's your call.
And I would just
I mean,
say
the
that,
Superintendent Association is very involved with them, okay, so they'll be out there, we'll be out there this week with our legislators and other legislators. And you're asking them, we all meet with our legislators as well, Sheriff? Is that?
No, I think they'll share it, but with everybody, with whom will they share it? You know, just the committee that's working on it, actually needs to be shared with everybody.
Yes, because they'll come up for a vote,
Right.
this on Monday, so.
then I would go ahead
Any
and,
contacts you all have, I would share with all of them.
I would say that, you know, I would encourage that this board gives the chair the discretion to share it with however they need to protect Citrus County's, you know, pushing of that we need to increase our capital needs. We have a lot of capital needs coming down the pipe, which Don talked about. We have an entire, I mean, we have Floral City, IPS, Inverness Middle. I mean, there's a great need. We really need to, I think as this board has said, we're gonna need to do on the east side what we did on the west side. And it's not gonna happen with what we're getting funded right now.
So if we did a blast to everybody with this information, we need to be sure everybody got it. So could you provide us with that, written up,
I've already,
Sam?
I've already sent it to them.
Okay. So then we can send it to everybody, so everybody, we don't want to miss anybody. This committee sometimes don't report their events. Okay, we'll do that. Liz. Put that on the agenda.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Next, we have student services and school book session. Oh, I'm sorry, thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. And what's the,
This is the closed session for, these are the statutes.
okay. We're going into a closed session, so we need everyone to leave the room shortly, except the safety team, which will be part of the closed session. And then you can come right back. Then we'll go to the school resource officer.